Smoked salmon and cream cheese cracker bites. Prep time 10 minutes. Yield 24 crackers. Description: smoked salmon and cream cheese cracker bites are topped with cucumber and arugula to make the perfect bite-sized snacks. Ingredients: 24 crackers. I used Ritz crackers. 4 ounces. Brick cream cheese, softened. 1/2 large cucumber, sliced. 1 cup smoked salmon, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1/4 cup arugula. Instructions: spread cream cheese onto crackers. Add a slice of cucumber. Add a piece of smoked salmon on top. Add arugula.